Alright guys, this is gonna be the worst video and the fastest one I do. Everybody's having an issue, so I figure like it's an emergency. You see, this is my eti. You hear it? Hear the play? I had the same issue. I'm not telling you that this might be the exact perfect way, but I got play. I'm gonna show you how I fixed that. This is what I did. Remove the variant. By the way, it's tight all the way. I just put it, I got on my things on because my favorite wheels like to go fast. You guys seen my videos and stuff, so anyway. There. This is what I did, guys, because I had the same thing. So I started to find out that I wasn't the only one. You see, the barrier just came out on its own. So it's the same way that you have it. See this, the spacer you added, which was not included. The spacer, take it out. That's what you do. You're gonna put, if you see the variant, you sit it in there, like, see, he got no play because he sit it in all the way in there, solidly. And this is metal. So you're gonna put the wheel. Look, even that one, it just won't move. It have no play when it goes in. I'm showing you the way, like I said, the way I did it myself. Might be not the perfect way, but this is what works. Oh snap! It was for a reason that the spacer was included, was not included in there. I believe that's why. So this is what I did. Put back, replace the nut. Remember, just not that spacer. Tie it up. When you see that the speed washer start to hit the nut, I'm sorry, bad angle, but you know what I mean. See, the plate's still there. This is what I did. I start tying it little by little, so I don't feel that loop no more, that movement, that clicking sound. I don't know what you guys are gonna say. Oh, it's gonna hit the race of the bearing. Every time you're carving, what you think it's doing? This piece right here, the only thing to do is just separate both bearings. You just keep them directly straight and all that good stuff. But every time you're carving, the pressure on the bearings goes to the race. It goes to neither side. So it's not much different than what we're doing here. So you see it's still play right there. It's twitching the wrench a little by little, but there's no play. Right now, no play at all. Look how freely spinning that is. You see that? Play. Still a little. If it's still a little play, just probably a millimeter. Just tie it up a bit. No play. No play at all. Maybe the table's moving. Anyway, that guys, that's my fix. That's the way I did it. And it's got no play, like I said. You're gonna feel vibration because the valve this is very unbalanced. And some other guys are telling me that they get the same thing, even with the bulb. So that's it. Just remove the spacer, lock it in little by little, giving it play until that play stops. Do not over tie it, just until that play stops. When that play stops, it should be good to go. Sorry about the nastiness and everything else and the bad quality of the video, but I felt that I just had to do this. Might help somebody. Another thing, guys, the reason I got this is because Fred, good guy, he contacted me on Instagram and told me, and another brother and writer, if you're not in my group, the Verreal RS, I'm so into this, I forget what I was gonna say. Verreal RS upgrades and mods. I cannot help you. I cannot contact you. I speak to Big daily about any issue, but that's just the people that I come in contact with. So if you want to join that group and subscribe here, I'll be sharing the stuff, and any problems you got, contact me. I'm always around. Those that know me, they know how I get down. I love helping people, and I do it. I don't do this for money. I do it for the love of skating. So thank you guys. God bless you. You have a great night, and I hope this helped. And comment below if any other issue or you have more questions. We do what we can. But thank you so much. Hope this helped.